hindi gwapo, kahit na di matalino, basta't siya'y
Good morning everyone, good afternoon and good evening. This is Mako with a capital M, the magician. So I would like to dedicate this video to my friend, drinking buddy, Jeffrey Razon of Quezon. Sir, happy birthday. So this video is dedicated to you, so hope you'll enjoy this one. So what we have here is a 100 yen coin, as you can see, and a rock glass. So this is not a magic glass, it's a normal rock glass. And what we will do is we will make this coin penetrate to this glass like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So 100 yen coin. And again, we will do it again. We will make this coin penetrate to this glass again one more time. So 1, and a 2, and a 3. Okay. So as I said, this is not a magic glass, and to prove it to you, so we will make this glass to make a cocktail. So we will mix a cocktail here, so it doesn't have a hole. So what we will make is a kamikaze. So first, fill this rock glass by ice, with ice. And then a vodka, absolute vodka. So an ounce of vodka. And a triple sec liquor, so an orange flavored liquor. So we will use a Cointreau. I don't know what is the right pronunciation. So Cointreau. Ay, mali. Cointreau, half an ounce. Okay. And a lime juice, so a sweetened lime juice. So this is specially made for cocktails. Okay. Then put it into shaker. So shake it. So make sure to make good shake. Okay. And then garnish it with fresh lime. Okay. So this is it. Kamikaze. Sir, happy birthday. More blessings to come, and kampai.